Hello everyone, welcome to this video. Today I'm going to talk about the basic operations on AWS S3 by using the AWS CLI. So these operations will be the list, create and delete buckets. So let me list the buckets I'm currently have in my account. And by doing this AWS S3 ls, I can list the buckets. As you can see, this is the name and when it was created. So if I need to create a new bucket, I'm going to use the command AWS with the option S3 API and then the action which is create bucket. Then I need to specify the bucket name. I'm going to set DevOps app 5 and the region. The region is important. US East 1 will be the default region where AWS will create all the buckets. So I'm going to create this new bucket. As you can see, it returns a JSON with the bucket information, and now I can list by using the s3 ls command, and you can see I have three buckets now. If I go to the console, I can refresh, and you can see I have the same three buckets here. Okay, what happens if I don't want a bucket anymore? So I can remove it or delete it by using AWS S3 RB, which is remove bucket. Then I'm going to specify this S3 and the bucket name. I'm going to delete DevOps 1 app 2. This is the one that I want to delete. And as you can see, it just deleted. I can confirm by doing an ls as well, and also in the console here. And the bucket is gone. Okay, these have been the three basic operations: list, create, and delete buckets that you can use for your bucket management. Please subscribe to the channel and let me know your comments. Thanks.